and all knowledges come from the God. So with the blessing of His knowledge, so we made a humble a try to about the DPRO in my Discord channel. If you all the members are here, so if you will see on September 5th, I made this class where we learning and for beginners for if you are a uh, small portfolio and you like to buy small cap stocks, this is your channel. And if you are like also play something, this is again for you if you are a mid cap or large cap. But for learning, for education, if you are good in finding small caps or medium cap stocks, this the trend line, parallel channel, all the indicators are same. You can try with the Meta or Amazon or Nvidia or whatever stock you like to do, even the ASML. So the trend line or all the indicators or the chart is same. So but it's a good learning experience if you only like to do big caps. So DPRO, we in the class, because we all mostly people deal with it, they have a small portfolio, and I'm choosing a small portfolio for them. Like for example, this is a learning class. It's not a financial advice. In the learning class, we have a 3K class where we just using this small amount of funds to find the proper stock that can fit in this price range. So in this one, I choose Serve Robotics, RR Robotics, Archer, and we also have a DPRO in this one. So over here, DPRO over here, if you see in the chat here, yeah. So this was an I posted, and let me disconnect. That time the price was $4 something. I will set go DPRO here now on the chart. I'm see around maybe when we made a video on the YouTube in the YouTube community. I didn't get a comment yet because price just spiked this morning. So we were, oh my God, we are around here in this range. Yes, somewhere here, $4 range. The price go back to 438. But I always give a proper strategy. I will say, if you will see my any strategy, I will show you three price range to buy. One is dip level, one is a reversal, and third is breakout. For example, RZLV. Let's see, go RZLV. RZLV is another small cap. So let me see if I can find the strategy for the RGLV. Yes, I found it. Very good. So look, reversal entry $4.80 and $5, and then we have a deep dip entry $3.80 and $4.50. So this strategy I gave like a maybe not yesterday, but I gave them like a few weeks ago. This is I think a forward message. Anyway, so for example, we just focus on this right now. The strategy for right in the current conditions, I guess. So RGLB. Let me go and this is now this is the price for DPRO. So I always give a three levels: deep dip level, reversal entry, and breakout entry. Same thing on the same for the DPRO: reversal, deep dip, and breakout. So you will see the price hit almost. Let me see here. $9.55. And I'm not showing you all the stock that's already gone, because this video not only for those who already not in the trade yet, but now we can learn together as together. So another like RZLB, like this is a current stock right now. RGLB, if you go here, RGLB, I posted here, and you will see the price on, let me see, okay, daily chart, because I always start with the daily because we are doing a swing trade, not a day trade. So we are in a 50 day moving average. I said, guys, like a few days ago, the price, I'm not buying here. Price was $8.44. When I got my attention on the stock, the price was already here. And I informed my team, hey, don't buy here. This is not a buy zone. This is a watch zone, right? Watching, buying, and then buying more at a deep dip, and then wait with patience. This is called disciplines. Right? So just for example, people start saying we are doing a meditations, right? I heard many times I'm doing meditations. What is actually meditations? meditation have before two more steps before you start meditations. What are those steps? First, you will do a concentration, then you do a contemplations, and then third stage is the meditations. And after meditation, we have 10 more steps. If you are in a spiritual world, in the religious world, you know what I'm talking to you. But meditation is not a first step. If you're doing a meditation first step, you are not right place. So anyway, so this is like a watching, and then buying, concentration, right? And then deep contemplations, then meditations. Quiet and wait to your strategy work. When strategy work, this is a meditation time, and then you get results after that. Result will be $9, result may be a $50, $200, depending on how the way you can go. So now we are in a RZLB, and this is our first buy zone, $4.80 according to our chart analysis and study. I use Ichimoku Cloud, Bollinger Band, trend line. I break the chart on the basis of indicators and trend line. No guessing, no FOMO. I don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. The news come and the shareholder will say we dissolve the stocks dissolve the stocks. They can do it. That I cannot get this. I can only get you the chart. What the chart telling me right now over here. And this is the chart, and this is a 50 EM. This is a good price to get, because most people I learn, they don't scare to buy here. No, they buy right away, but they will scare to buy here. Just an opposite. You buy here, then wait 2 months, price come here, and then you get from here, go up and get a profit in 2 months. So you need to spend 4 months. Why you just wait here instead of buying 2 months and do something else, and then come here, buy, and then 2 months results fast. And so we don't like to try to get fear here. When you will see a 8-9 candles, don't buy. Daily candle, not buying. Just quiet. Like I have Micron Technology, MU, right? It's a hot stock. I'm watching it. I didn't get entry. I know it's very hot. It's very news. It most likely it's a bullish and very much going to strong. It's going to be cross breakout confirmed almost. But I didn't buy it. But it's very buy. If somebody want to take a chance, this is a good stock. Is AI. Someone can go. But I just watching right now. Like Meta. I didn't buy for a year. And let me see Meta. I bought today Meta. Why? You can see I make the trading simple. Make it simple. A elementary kid can learn your chart, can learn your strategy. This means you are on the right track. Why we don't have any university or a college providing a 3 years or 4 year trading degree. People making millions, billions in trading than other jobs in the banking sectors, in the teaching lines. You can do a master's, you can become a teacher. It's a good job, good profession, noble professions. People making engineering, they also very good job. Engineering, 4 year degree. But we don't have any degree for trading, and people make way more money than any other profession, in my opinions, in that small amount of experience. Because we don't have universities, we don't have because they are people who made those policies, who make the education system. They are way better than me and you in the knowledge or experience. They know this doesn't need a 4 year degree. Trading doesn't need a 4 year degree. You can learn in 4 days. Why are you wasting 4 years in a college or university, and why they're wasting their time? This is that simple. And you guys, if you are losing money in such a simple thing that elementary kid can do it, why not you can do it? Find a proper mentor and strategy. That's it. All right, let's go RGLV. Meta, right time to buy, in my opinions. But one more level is coming, 7.9, 7.10. Someone can wait. You can see here. You can take a picture of this one. I will buy whenever this price come on this line. Simple, just simple. Make it. I extend the line. Let me see it more. Uh, I'm just going because this is not my kind of stock. I don't do small, large cap, but I'm just today buying. Um, so basically, I'm buying when a price come on this line, and buy sell over here when the price go there. It might get more deep dip entry. You can turn on maybe yeah, EMA. So you see this yellow line is I think is a 100 EMA. So buying 50 EMA, buying 100 EMA. You can do this way. If you don't know how to do this trend line chart analysis, that's fine too. Open your 2 EMA, 50 EMA, and 100 EMA. And if you are investors, then 200 EMA. If you are investors, then you will buy only at 200 EMA, not anything else. So if you believe Meta, if you believe in Facebook, then this is the way you do for long term. If you don't believe Facebook, if you're not using Facebook at your phone, don't need to buy because this is not a good company. So if you are not, and this is about, I don't use Facebook, but I buy stocks. And another technique, okay, Apple. People go buy Apple phone. Yeah, this new phone, very good. I love. Very. If you buy it, or congratulations to you. Thank you very much. But I'm not buying Apple. I'm buying stock. After 1 month, I will buy. But then my stock will be go higher. I get a profit, and people who buying, they give a company a profit. Very good for them, and good for everybody. So then that's very smart approach. One of the smart approach, but there are many others. Okay, so Apple is not in a buy zone right now. We already bought. We gave us strategy before, and now we have Amazon. Yes, Amazon. I'm just showing you a large cap today. So I'm not giving a strategy because it's already in a buy zone. If you see here, Amazon daily map 50 EMA price below. That will be your first entry because we are not here only giving you spoon feeding. We're also teaching you how to make trading proficient, efficient, profitable, accurate. So 50 EMA cross. Now we are in a deep dip level to buy Amazon. And third, this is an investor category. If you get 212, buy more. And then just do meditation now after that. Buy, relax. Don't text me now, hey, what's going on with the Amazon going more lower? I give time at least 3 months.